The Chesapeake is a stunning ranch-style single-story home. The home features a private study upon entry, formal dining room, and expansive family room. The kitchen is in a great location with open access to both the formal dining room and family room. This 4-bedroom home also offers wonderful flexibility with options including an expanded kitchen, media room, luxury master bathroom, spa bathroom, bay windows, a second floor with bonus and bunk room options, covered patio, and outdoor living area. Innovative designs, custom features, desirable locations, high quality construction, and energy efficiency earmarks the standards for which Scott Felder Homes is best known for. They choose to build homes in the best neighborhoods with outstanding amenities and great school districts, many of which offer on-site elementary schools to better protect your home's value for years to come. Down to the smallest detail, they specialize in tailoring their services and products to their clients' desires, sense of style, and standard of living. At the time of this recording, they have $25,000 in savings on quick move-in ready or build-to-order homes. Believe me guys, I know firsthand how intimidating it can feel when walking into one of these beautiful model homes and speaking with the sales reps. You're not sure what to ask, what's included, and sometimes can be completely overwhelmed with anxiety. I have visited with many builders and their sales reps. I have built rapport and already went through the uncomfortable stage for you. Some people think by going straight to the source, you're saving money on my commission, when in fact, the builder is paying my commission. So that means you get the representation you deserve and a guy to help you along the process for next to nothing. Rest assured, I am in this for you and to be in your corner. This process doesn't need to be intimidating. It should be really fun to go through the process and pick out options for your future castle. I almost forgot to mention, you also get my industry knowledge of who has the best incentives, most savings, and is the easiest to work with. Don't hesitate to reach out because I'm in this for you and to get you into a new construction home on time with no buyer's remorse.